UPSC age limit.
The civil service exams conducted by UPSC has an age criteria for the exams along with the number of attempts you can give. The lower age limit is 21. It is the same for all students. However, there are a lot of variations on the upper age limit based on caste and physical disabilities, etc. The age limit is further defined to be your age on 1st of August. You should not be lower than the limit nor higher than the age limit for your category on that date. This means for the UPSC exams, the candidate must be 21 years of age as on 1st August of that year. For the general category, the upper age limit is 32. They are allowed a total of 6 attempts within this age limit. For the other backward classes or OBC category, they are allowed a relaxation of upper age limit up to 3 years, meaning 32 plus 3 years, that is 35 years of age, and are allowed 9 attempts within this age limit. For scheduled castes and scheduled tribes, that is SC and ST category, they are allowed a relaxation of upper age limit up to 5 years, meaning 32 plus 5 years, that is 37 years of age, and are allowed as many attempts within this age limit. For defense service personnel disabled during service under the general category, the upper age limit is 35 years of age and are allowed 6 attempts. Under OBC category, it is 38 years of age and are allowed 9 attempts. And under SC and ST category, it is 40 years of age with as many attempts within this age limit. For the ex-servicemen, including commissioned officers and ECOs, SSCOs who have rendered at least 5 years of military service as on 1st August of that year and have been released, the general category is 37 years of age with number of attempts up to 6. Under OBC category, it is 40 years of age and the number of attempts up to 9, and under SC and ST category it is 42 years of age with as many attempts within the age limit. The upper age limit for visually challenged or hearing impaired or physically challenged candidates for any category is 42 years of age. However, number of attempts for these candidates falling under general category and OBC is 9 attempts, and under SC and ST it is as many attempts within the age limit. Grant for cumulative age relaxation. Candidates belonging to SC or ST or OBC who also fall under the category of ex-servicemen, physically or visually challenged, hearing impaired, will be eligible for grant of cumulative age relaxation under both the categories. The term ex-servicemen are defined in the Ex-Servicemen, Re-employment and Civil Service and Posts Rules 1979. Ex-servicemen and commissioned officers, including ECOs, SSCOs, who are released on their own will not be eligible for the age concession. As for physically disabled candidates, they will have to satisfy the requirements of physical and medical standards for the concerned posts or services after examination by the government of appointing authority. For the proof of date of birth and age, the matriculation or secondary school leaving certificate or a certificate recognized by an Indian university as equivalent to matriculation certificates should be submitted only while applying for the UPSC main exams. No other certificates like horoscopes, affidavits, birth extracts from municipal corporation, service records would be accepted as proof of age. While entering the date of birth online, at the time of applying for the UPSC prelim exams, make sure it is as entered in the matriculation certificate. Otherwise, disciplinary actions can be taken against the candidate by the Commission.